Hey, it's Sean Price with Price and Price Realtors with this week's market report for Mclean, Virginia, Vienna, Virginia, and Great Falls, Virginia. So we saw a little bit of a shift in activity this week. I think we may be moving into that winter market. We're doing it a little bit later than typical, but that's usually pushed back because of COVID. You can see that these two lines represent buyer activity and total inventory, and you can see that both dropped this week over the past 7 days. Buyer activity dropped less than inventory, which means that the relationship of inventory to activity actually increased a little bit. So what we'll see is on this chart, you'll see that we actually moved a little more into a seller's market than we were in last week. So even though the market itself seems to be slowing down a little bit, which is probably seasonal and probably has to do with the election coming up, the ratio of the market is still in a pretty strong seller's market, and we see that in practice. Multiple offers on properties and things going for above ask. So that is still happening in the market. We will keep an eye on this. We will watch it every 7 days, but we are starting to see the trend of the market kind of slowing down. Again, anticipating that's probably because of the winter market. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll see you on next week's report.